Hello, I am Chef Ashish from Dasu Cafe. Today we are going to make strawberry chicken tikka. So in the month of Valentine, we are going to make chicken tikka, our regular good old chicken tikka with the strawberry marinations. So there is a deviation, not single deviation, there is a lot of deviation in it. So let's start with this. So for the strawberry chicken tikka, we'll take some chicken morsels and generally 250 gram of the boneless clean strawberry chicken tikka, and I have taken it from the thigh of the chicken. I'll marinate it with the strawberry puree. So it's normal fresh strawberry which I'm going to puree it. I have pureed it and I'll add some 3-4 teaspoon for this 250-60 gram of the chicken morsels, and then I got a puree which is of cashew nut and a cheese, processed cheese. So for that I'll add another tablespoon and a half, and we'll put some cardamom powder a bit to bring it more Indianness in it. I'll add some black salt into it, some white pepper to retain the color of the pink. This is how we'll marinate it, and we'll marinate and keep it aside in the refrigerator for the you can say 30-35 minutes, so that it will go inside and the strawberry flavor should reach in the innermost part of the chicken. After 30-minute rest inside the refrigerator or to get it nicely marinated, now I'll cook it. Generally tikkas are cooked in the oven or a grill or a char grill, but here I'll make everyone's life easy. I'll use non-stick pan, and I am using mustard oil. You can use any oil because mustard oil has a little dominant flavor aroma in it, so maybe it will camouflage the flavor of strawberry, because strawberry is little mild, then the cashew nut is mild, then the cheese is mild. So this is how we'll pre-grease it. Once the pan is hot, we'll add our tikkas. You can see the natural color of the strawberry. It's very nice baby pink color, and obviously the strawberry is playing the role of the yogurt also, because yogurt is a kind of tenderizer and it adds some tanginess into the food. So strawberry is replacing yogurt here, and as we can see, the chicken is ready and we got a nice good color. The smoky flavor is also coming because of the smoke is coming out of the chicken and the marination. So we are ready with our chicken tikka. So we'll now place it like this. We'll put some more strawberry on top of it, just in case the flavor of the strawberry is washed out. That flavor will come inside, and a different pink color of the strawberry will come, and we can serve it with some vinaigrette onion or any onion you can use. As you know, the onion goes very well with the chicken tikkas, and you can serve it with a regular your mint coriander chutney, and this is our nice good strawberry chicken tikka.